What's up guys, today we have some exciting news about the upcoming Realme 11 series smartphones. Two unreleased phones have appeared on China's TENAA certification listing, and we've got the full details. So let's dive right in. Both the Realme 11 Pro RMX 3770 and 11 Pro Plus RMX 3740 share 6.7-inch curved OLED displays with FHD plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rates. They also have in-display fingerprint scanners and stereo speakers, according to the listings. The pair are powered by an unnamed 2.6 GHz 8-core SoC, believed to be an upcoming MediaTek chipset. They'll offer various RAM and storage options, ranging from 6/128 GB to 16/1 TB. The main difference between these two devices lies in their camera setups. The Realme 11 Pro will offer a 108MP main camera alongside a 2MP portrait module, while the Pro Plus will step up to a 200MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide module, and a 2MP macro cam. Both phones will run Realme UI 4.0 based on Android 13. The Realme 11 Pro is listed with a 4870 mAh battery, while the 11 Pro Plus has a 2435 mAh rated capacity, which is likely half of its total capacity. We can expect both phones to launch with 5000 mAh batteries. According to tipster Abhishek Yadav, both smartphones will debut in the Chinese market in May. The Realme 11 Pro will have a 100MP plus 2MP dual camera system, while the 11 Pro Plus will feature a 200MP plus 8MP plus 2MP triple camera unit. The 11 Pro will have a 16MP front-facing camera for selfies, and the 11 Pro Plus will have a 32MP front-facing camera. Both smartphones will lack support for external storage and feature an under-display fingerprint scanner for security. Realme is set to launch the Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 powered Realme GT Neo 5 Southeast in the Chinese market as a toned-down version of the Realme GT Neo 5. Let's talk about the design of the Realme 11 Pro series, as revealed in the TENAA listing. The images show a curved OLED display on the front, similar to the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G smartphone. The design, however, may be further refined when it comes to the Realme 11 Pro Plus. Now, moving on to the back of the phone, we can see some significant changes in the camera module design. Instead of a square island in the corner, the phone now sports a large circular module in the center. This new design is reminiscent of some premium Huawei and Honor smartphones that have launched in China. The device features a triple camera setup on the back, along with an LED flash and the Realme logo at the bottom. With the new MediaTek chipset, we can expect excellent performance from both the Realme 11 Pro and Pro Plus smartphones. The wide range of RAM and storage options ensures that users can find the perfect configuration to suit their needs. Whether you need a high-performance device for gaming or a reliable phone for everyday use, the Realme 11 series has got you covered. His 6.7-inch curved OLED displays with FHD plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rates on both devices promise a stunning and immersive viewing experience. Coupled with stereo speakers, these phones will be perfect for watching your favorite movies, playing games, or catching up on the latest YouTube videos. There you have it, folks. That's all we have for now on the upcoming Realme 11 Pro and 11 Pro Plus smartphones. As always, we'll keep you updated as more information comes to light. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.